is race number 9. Final race for tonight, Friday. Away they go. Shine again from the outside. Custer moving up on the further outside is Echo Mac. Barderell is entry number 3. Cat. It's now Echo Mac from the outside. Magnificent Yoki Shine again. And Ninang Mill down on the inside. Pip Cat rushing up on the further outside. Smiling Julia and Jaden Song. Custer Celine. Red Heroin and Mutual Funds, while Surgery are running at the tail of the field. Echo Mac, Magnificent Yoki fighting it out for the lead. A Smiling Julia racing in third on the outside for Jaden Song. Custer moving up by the Pip, and racing on the outside is Ninang Mill as they race the final corner. Echo Mac, Smiling Julia moves to take the lead. Smiling Julia on the outside is Custer. Smiling Julia, Custer, and Echo Mac, Cat on the outside. Smiling Julia on the outside. Custer's running by the roll. Smiling Julia, Custer, Smiling Julia, Custer, and nearing the finish line. Custer outlasting Smiling Julia. Then comes Cat close. Mutual